Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you an Indian? Yes. Where are you from? I am from Kolkata. Where are you from? I am from Punjab. What is your name? My name is Sanjay Dubey. What is your name? Well, my name is Vihan Singh. What do you do, Mr. Sanjay? Well, I am a writer. And what do you do, Mr. Vihan? I am a spokesperson. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Mr. Vihan. Now practice them by speaking. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? I am good. How are you? I am good. How are you? Good. Do you speak English? Good. Do you speak English? A little. Are you an Indian? A little. Are you an Indian? Yes. Yes. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Kolkata. I am from Kolkata. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Punjab. I am from Punjab. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Sanjay Dubey. My name is Sanjay Dubey. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Vihan Singh. My name is Vihan Singh. What do you do, Mr. Sanjay? What do you do, Mr. Sanjay? Well, I am a writer. Well, I am a writer. What do you do, Mr. Vihan? What do you do, Mr. Vihan? Well, I am a spokesperson. Well, I am a spokesperson. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.